So paper trading is essentially the ability to buy and sell stocks without actually using real money. Now, the benefit of this is to get the hang of the platform yourself, kind of give it a test run without having any real cash on the line. So they give you fake money that you can just trade with. In the case of Webull, they're going to give you $1 million in fake cash that you can just go out there with, buy some stocks, practice your strategies, get used to the platform, and really just experience the platform without really having to put any of your own money on the line. So how you're going to access that is you're going to go to menu. You're going to go down here to paper trading. You're going to say, you can just reset your account whenever you want. My account's still got $1 million in it, but I'll just press reset anyway. We'll say confirm reset. Boom. And now I've got $1 million in this account. I can just go into trade. Say I want to buy some shares of Apple. I can just go to paper trading. Let's say I want to do a market order for Apple stock. We're going to do a buy. We're going to buy, let's just say a few thousand shares, nothing, no big deal. We'll do paper trade. And we'll just wait here for the order to fill. Shouldn't take all that long. We can just back out here while we do wait, go to cancel, and boom, we can check back in on our account. And we've got, approximately 3,481 shares of Apple stock in this account. And you can see it's gone up just a little bit. We've got about $69 in profit in our paper trading account. So you can just go through, practice whatever strategies you want. This is a really good way to get used to the interface of Webull, because like within each individual stock, if we go back into Apple stock for a second, you can see that there's a lot of information going on, okay? With the charts, with all the data down here, the buying and the selling information, the order flow distribution. I mean, there's a ton of analysis and just stuff that you can look at in here. So it's a great way to kind of get your feet wet with all of that without having to actually put your real money in there. Because like once you've got real money on the line, then emotions get tangled up into this stuff too. And so it's a lot easier if you can just do that and get used to the platform without having to actually put your money in there.